This is a 20,000 cubic foot per minute air handler installed in Houston, Texas, with the integrated viral protection and biodefense air system up installed and running. As you can see right now with the green light, this is stage 1 that's energized, which means about 1/3 of the filter face is killing the viruses or any viruses that are captured in the HEPA filter media. The HEPA filter media is about 99.5% efficient. We are monitoring the entire operation of the system, including pressure drop, temperature, and control. So currently we're showing about a 10.4 increase in temperature over the heated HEPA filter, which is less than the space air temperature, where you can see is approximately 65.8 degrees. That means no one in the space will sense that the leaving air of the air handler is momentarily, just for a few minutes, a little hotter than the leaving coil temperature. As you can see now, stage 3 is energized. Currently, the differential pressure across the filter is 0.945 inches, 10.4 differential pressure with a 65-degree approximate leaving air temperature. This air handler is running an automatic. The integrated viral protection biodefense system runs only when the building is in the occupied mode. The air handler is, like I mentioned, about a 20,000 CFM air handler. It's got a pre-filter section, a cooling coil section, a UV light section, a fan section, and then the integrated viral protection section. I will now open up the fan door. I shut the unit off to show you the face of the integrated viral protection system. That is what the system looks like up close. As you can see, the face looks just like a HEPA filter face. There's the electrical connections. The electrical connections are made so that the unit can be modularized. That means when the filters do require change out, the electrical is easily to disconnect and reconnect. That's the downstream edge of the filter. Looking at it without a trained eye, it would look just like a typical HEPA filter system, which is so valuable to this technology because we could simply replace current HEPA filter technology with this technology. As you can see here, there's the upstream face of the system, and you probably can't discern from this video, but the material in the upstream edges are indeed, if you can make that out, they are indeed porous. So this is the upstream side of the core of the HEPA filter, capturing the pathogens. As it's heated, the pathogens are eliminated. This system has been running for approximately a month now in full automatic. We've had 0 complaints from occupants in the building. As a matter of fact, they don't even know how clean their building air is, but it is the cleanest building air in the city of Houston.